Hello everyone. I just want to do a quick video to show everybody how to condition your beading thread. And the reason why we do this is because the wax helps protect the thread to help it last longer. And it also helps prevent tangles, which any beader is going to know. You're going to get tangles, but anything that's going to help make them better, oh, we're going to go for it. So just get your piece of thread that you need. Oh, let's see. Get it to come off of here, maybe. There we go. So just get the length you need. And then you're going to take your beeswax. That's all you need. You don't need anything fancy, none of that high dollar crap. Beeswax is all we need. And what you're going to do is you're just going to pinch your thread in between your wax and your thumb, and you're just going to pull it through. And you want to pull some, but you don't want to pull too tight because you can overly stretch your thread. And if you're doing something like fringe, well, that's going to then turn around and shrink up on you. And where you got your nice pretty fringe, you go back and look at it next day and it's all bunched and ugly on you. And you wonder what happened. If you are having to do your thread stretching like that, then that's what happened to you. But that's all there is to it. And then you just thread it and off you go. Happy beading. Yoka Key.